The hardest thing about filming racing at night is that you just can't tell the cars apart. Like, you can try and make out the headlight shapes, use the sound of the engine, but sometimes they're so fast that they're already on top of you by the time you hear the engine sound. And then you try to use the indicator lights that show the different classes, but they're coming so fast that it's really hard. When people ask you for advice on shooting at night, I say just, if you can avoid it, don't. Just shoot at blue hour and bring your exposure down.